How does strategic analysis relate to the development of a competitive strategy? Well, to begin with, there are various levels of strategy. Competitive strategy is used to differentiate yourself or stand out or otherwise excel against the competition that exists in your given market of operations. Now, the competitive strategy is used to move forward your organizational or higher level strategy. That is the mission, vision, values, objectives, goals of the company. Now, with that being said, how do you use strategic analysis in the development of a competitive strategy? Well, to begin with, you take a look at the internal and external elements or factors or characteristics of the organization. Generally, you use tools such as the SWOT analysis, which examines the internal strengths and weaknesses and the internal and external opportunities and threats of the firm. You look at the external factors like the political, economic, socio-technical, environmental, and legal factors that could somehow affect the business, generally giving rise to some level of threat or opportunity. And then you look at Porter's 5 forces, the competitors, the substitute products, the buyer power, the supplier power, and then the general competitive environment in which you operate to make the determination of how competitive is the environment and what are the forces that are going to be pulling upon you. If you understand all of these things, you truly understand the firm and the environment in which it operates. From there, you move on to develop a competitive strategy that in some way could lead to a competitive advantage over other competitors in the marketplace that take advantage of potential opportunities and utilize the strengths that the firm has and minimizes dependence or susceptibility to the threats in the environment or the weaknesses that are internal to the firm. So generally, the information collected during the internal and external analysis is used to define a given path or approach towards competing in the environment that aligns with, again, the strengths and opportunities and minimizes weaknesses and threats. And from there, you have to implement that competitive strategy, and that is done through what is known as an operational or a functional level strategy. And this is where the actual elements of the strategy are implemented in daily processes within the organization. So collectively, this is how you use strategic analysis to develop a competitive strategy with the hopes of achieving the organizational objectives of the firm.